Welcome, here I've got Denver device and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app on it. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open this up. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the left at the bottom. And it gives us access to advanced camera settings. We can pick the general settings, photo settings and the video settings. So let's move to the center to the photo settings now, and from here let's slide a little bit down to the preview size. So by tapping on this we can easily adjust the ratio of our picture. We can pick from standard, 4 and 3 and the full screen. So when I change it, as you can see, the background is changing also. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.